Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can get these steps in sync action in Heartopia. It says during the event, perform a face-to-face two-person interaction with your friend. Accumulate 7 days to receive the limited exclusive two-person action with that friend. It's okay if you miss a few days. It just needs to be 7 days in total. You still have 21 days to get it, and the action is only between you and that friend. So you cannot use it with other friends. So I did mine with my friend. He's offline right now, but as you can see, I have accumulated all of it. And this is what the action looks like once you've reached those 7 days. And yeah, that's if you want the action. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.